In 1993, Streamlight launched the legendary Stinger, the industry's first compact rechargeable flashlight. In 2017, Streamlight introduces the ultimate work light, presenting the Stinger Switchblade. Multitaskers, say hello to your dream multifunction work light. It's a drop light. It's a hands-free light. It's a bright white light. It's a UV light. It's a light with Streamlight's Color-Rite technology. The Switchblade is actually 5 great lights in one. From head to tail, the Switchblade is thoughtfully engineered to be your go-to lighting tool. Its cool white LEDs produce a very bright white light. High CRI lights provide true light to better see the color spectrum. UV LED for detecting HVAC leaks or minor cracks in frames. Its articulating light bar rotates 180 degrees for precise aiming. An integrated hook and magnet allow hands-free use. And when you're ready to call it a day, the Switchblade folds for compact storage. The Stinger Switchblade by Streamlight. It's the multi-purpose work light for multitasking workers.